It's Robbie One's beat.
When I'm looking on the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda. Amiro jamo con cal, tengo kimoya, makiguru por de lokete atabagulu. Amiro jamo con cal, tengo kimoya, makiguru por de lokete atabagulu. It is a true sunshine, no other is African life.
The Luo ethnic group from Kenya are part of the central country of ethnic groups in Africa. Welcome to this video. My name is Brian, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Luo groups in Kenya, or the Luo tribes in Kenya. Some mythical origins suggest that Kenya is the original homeland of the Luo before migration into Sudan. So according to certain sources, they say Luo migrated from Kenya and entered into South Sudan, and others dispersed into Uganda, Congo, and also into Ethiopia. That's according to other sources, but the percentage mythical. On the other hand, the Luo people in Kenya typically believe that their central point of origin is Sudan. A fact that has been proven by ethnologists and historians for so long, and historians to be the actual part of origin of the Luo people, the source of Atieno Adiambo. That's the source, that's the author called Atieno Adiambo in 1999. Most ethnologists and scholars which studied Luo migration in the 21st century also believe and cited the same assumption, in which they refer to the southern Sudan as the home of Luo ethnic groups. Kenya is a very special place for Luo on earth and in Africa. First of all, Kenya is a country with the highest population. Secondly, it is the only country that the Luo people have maintained their unity without separation today, which helped them to prevent further migration away from Kenya into other countries. And now they also preserve their culture today. The culture of Luo, which is more famous, is in Kenya, making it more attractive to other people. Same source, Atieno Adiambo of 1999. According to Adamson, 1967, the migration of Luo ethnic group Kenya started some 100 years ago. And according to him, Luo is the only Nairobi group. But me personally, because we have the Kalenjins, which are already into Kenya. Even the current president of Kenya, President 2023, this guy, people of the Kalenjin. So Luo is not the only group of people in Kenya, as Adams said in 19. They have crossed Lake Victoria after pushing the Band people away from it, and they are now first inhabitants of the lake since 1967. The Luo have chosen Nyanza province on the banks of Lake as their home and settled there. The Luo migrated Kenya. The Luo migrated to Kenya. The Luo migrated to Kenya from eastern Uganda in 4 waves, which considered. First one is the Jok. That's the first group to arrive from the Joliland, and the largest migration of the Luo recorded to Kenya. Migration from Alu, the Wing, the Jok whom are actually part of the Padola, or the Jopadola, and Jogomulu, who migrated Pawir. Now, currently, there are about 12 Luo clans found in Kenya and consist of Jo Alego, Jo Gem, Odigum, Jo Ugenya, Jo Seme, Jo Karachonyo, Jo Nyakach, Jo Kabundo, Jo Sakwa, and Jo Kajuru. The term Jo in Luo language means people. So Jo Kajuru means the people of Kajuru. And I think, for example, Kajuru is just like my name is Maktum Brian. It would be called Jo Maktum, maybe or Jo Brian. So the people of Brian, as an example. And then this source got the person named God of 1997. Apparently, the Luo ethnic tribe are considered as the largest group. In Kenya, 11% after the non-Luo of Kikuyu, who are 20%, and the Luya, who are 14% of the total population. So still remain about 1997. Nonetheless, the Luo language is adopted and spoken by majority of non-Luo Kenya as a second language. In 1994, the Luo village population was estimated to be 185,000, but as of now, they have grown to far more than now. We will update all that stuff in another video, which I request you to subscribe so that you will get it. Luo, however, in Kenya are also known as Nilotic Kavirondo and classified as Nilo-Sahara Eastern Sudanic. The Luo simply refer to themselves as Joluo, J-O-L-U, Joluo, which means the people of Luo. That means basically the main tribe of Luo in Kenya, as we had earlier on said, which literally means the people of Luo, as I already said. This was the same God of 1997. The Luo of Kenya are known as agriculture fishers and miners. They have adapted Christianity as traditional religion and also believe answers are alive after death. The source is Ray Richard, 1961. So the Luo of Kenya also believe in Christianity and also the traditional religion of answers are alive after death. Thank you very much. You have watched about the Luo of Kenya. Don't mind if I look into this computer while reading. There are certain words which are not easy to master, but I've compiled them well. I think if the video makes sense to you, please like, comment so that I get to know your feedback. Share also to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe channel, then follow on Pinterest. We also got a website, www.site. Visit that. It's been a pleasure having you. My name is Mark Brian, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
Kore balidi wa binu templo mona binu cha cha cha. Kore balidi wa binu cha cha.